Look, I think the best piece of advice I could ever give anyone is to be curious, to work hard, and make good contacts. I always love food. I always love to eat. I like to taste things. When I was young, like I'm talking really young, so getting into the kitchen and sort of developing recipes and stuff was pretty natural for me. It's what I liked doing when I was young. I guess I sort of seriously started thinking about becoming a chef when I was 15 or 16. Until then, I'd always dreamt about it, but it wasn't real. And once I sort of become a teenager, I was like, yeah, no, it's what I'm gonna do. Look, I think when you cook for people and they love what you eat, they love what you serve, that's the biggest achievement. You know, like, yeah, you can win awards and you can be, you know, you can have people talk nicely about you in reviews and whatnot. And I've been very lucky to have some of that. But I think when you cook in your restaurant and guests keep coming back, that's the biggest achievement you can ever wish for. Putting delicious first is always important to me, because as you get to become a chef that gets access to lots of fantastic things, wonderful ingredients, great equipment, you know, suddenly you can do lots of different things. For me, it's always about how it tastes. And I've always said it, but is it the most delicious version of itself? I love to eat, and I love the way food tastes. So if I eat something, even if it's wonderful, I'm still like, but can it be better? Is there a way to make it more delicious? So I think that's what I do. I always think of delicious first. Culinary school is so important for students to sort of go all the way in our profession. I really think it gives you a great grounding and a great background to sort of fall back on. I think a lot of people forget we're tradesmen, tradespeople, right? Like, we learn a trade, we learn how to apply technique, heat to ingredients. That's what we do. You know, it's actually pretty basic when you strip it right back. So you've got to learn those techniques the right way. You've got to meet lots of people within the industry. You've got to understand a lot about our business. And I think culinary school is the right place to start. Our students to me have always stood out because they have a real willingness to learn, and I think that's super important in our business. They're hard workers. They understand that, you know, especially when you are still a student, you're quite often at the bottom of the rank. It means nothing, to be honest with you. You're in the same environment, you're with the same amount of people, and you're there to learn. And if you're there to learn with a good attitude, that's going to serve you really, really well, and that's what I find the ICE students have. I think, you know, when you find something that you genuinely love doing, you don't work a day in your life, you know, and I think that I get out of bed every day still. I'm nearly 50 years old and I still get up pretty excited to go to work, and I don't know that a lot of people can say that. Finding what I love, that's the secret.